What's up, guys? We got a 2024 Honda Civic. We went ahead and hooked up the alarm system to the factory alarm system. Basically what happened is they left this car in 4 bricks about 4 months ago. I did the unit 4 months ago, but he went ahead and gave me a call to add the module for the phone to get the alert in his phone, and it also comes with GPS. Initially, when I did the system 4 months ago, I proposed the alarm notification because since he lives in an apartment for the guy, but at the time he was a little tight with money because he had to spend money on a deductible to put new rims back. So he went ahead and told me that, you know, he'll be calling me soon to get it done, to add that module for his notification on his phone since he lives in apartments. And he did call me back and we went ahead and installed it. He's not here right now, but yeah, the installation is done. So I'll show you guys the way it works. When you arm the alarm, okay, if somebody walks up and they bang on the tires, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get nut locks, and don't go with the ones from Honda. I told this guy already to get other brands and put 3 per tire. Apparently I'm gonna have to remind him again. I don't know if it went into one ear and came out the other, but yeah, the more nut locks you put, the more banging they got to do to remove them, and then my shock sensor will appreciate that. I'm gonna go ahead and set it off. Okay, that's a warning. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it hard because I didn't hit it hard enough. Okay, that turns off my kit, and now the alarm is off. So basically, yeah, what you do is when you get out of the car, you arm it with my remote. This car locks anyway by itself when you walk away, so you don't even have to do that. That comes from factory. And then when you come back to the car, just turn my alarm off, and then the minute you reach in and pull the handle, it's going to unlock the doors anyway. So it worked out nice. If whoever has these Hondas 22, 23, 24, give you a heads up. The rims are a high target to get stolen pretty much in this vehicle. So our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We're located in Miami. We come out to you, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, whatever area you live in, and then we can go ahead and get this done for you. Anybody out of state, give us a call and maybe we can guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible. And we thank you for watching this video.